How far do they go?
41 feet.
I got you.
You can't get me under there. It's pretty hard.
Go, Junior, shoot.
Oh, Junior, we're being attacked. I got a shot. Cover me. Junior.
You're covered, Daddy.
What? Hurry, shoot.
I'm trying to shut up. But it's stop.
I got him again.
I got him. I got him.
Got him.
My bullet is broken. Daddy, why doesn't work
What do
anymore?
you mean it's not working?
Look.
What do you mean?
Oh, that was that. I got one bad review and one good review.
Okay.
The bad review is they kind of break really easily in the heads.
Oh, the bullets? They
Yeah.
break? Okay.
And good review is that they're wait, keep recording. Be right back.
What's the good review?
Wow, be right back.
Okay.